In this lecture, you will learn how you can configure your payment gateways and import as well as export your settings for the bookings. Okay, so first of all, head to Booking plugin and then go to the add-ons manager. So when you come to this page, first of all, you will need to enable the payment gateways that you want. For example, if you want to enable the booking request, enable it. If you don't want to enable payment on arrival, you can disable it as well as you can enable it. If your country doesn't support Stripe or PayPal, you can disable them or enable them. So once that's done, you can go to payment settings and then you will need to enter city tax if you have VAT, and then you can start with the PayPal configuration. First of all, if you want to enable the developer mode or the sandbox mode. So sandbox is a way that you can generate mock transactions to test your app. So you can use both your accounts for like personal as well as business account to test the sandbox. Once you have tested the payment in sandbox, you can enable it, you can disable it so that you can start taking the live payments. How to take the live payments? First of all, you will need to enter your PayPal email, then PDT that you can get from here. Then you will need to specify the currency, and then these are the optionals like what you want to show at the checkout and what you want to show at booking request message on checkout. Once that's done, you can go ahead and configure the bank transfer message and then payment on arrival message. Once PayPal, bank transfer and payment on arrival has been done, you can do with the Stripe message at checkout. Then you will need to enter Stripe publishable key, which you can get from the Stripe website as well as Stripe secret. Both are needed to enable live Stripe payments, and then you'll finally need to enable the currency for the Stripe. Once that's done, your payments will be ready and you will be able to take live payments for your bookings. Then you have many bookings. Once you have bookings, you can export as well as import them. You can export them as a text area in the text file like .txt, and if you want to import it, open the text file, copy all the text and paste it and click on the import. Once you do it, you will be able to import the bookings. Thank you very much.